Today I'll be crimping a Cat5e UTP Ethernet cable using a Cat6 RJ45 connector. This is my crimping tool. Let me begin the process. First, you average about 1.5 inches from the top and you remove this insulated coat. Good. There you will find 4 pairs. All right, yeah. Let me just cut this out. Good. 4 pairs. First, you have the orange and white. Good. Then green and white, blue. The last is that. Good. So we just unwind it. Good. Good. Make sure you always hold here tight and use your other hand to just straighten these wire out, because it need to go in here. So good. So make sure the color code is gonna be correct now. Let me see. First, orange and white, orange, green, and blue. Blue and white, green, brown and white, and brown at the last. So good. Get it neat. Good. So now you just take this and verify you have the right length. Good. So you need to cut about here. Good. Cut that out. Verify again. Orange and white, orange, green and white, blue, blue and white, green, brown and white, brown. And then you always put your connector in this direction, not like this. Put the clip down and you just align it and slide. Good. You just verify in front here that you've seen all the tip of the wire at the front here, or you can look on the other side and you will see it. Then at the side here you will see it will have to pierce through the coat in here. You make sure it will reach that piercing part. Good. So now I will use this tool. This tool have a exact alignment to fit the connector, and here is where these contact will pierce in to all 8 wires, right? So I'll press and you can see, here you go, right? When you look at the side here now, you will see it pierce into the wire and it's down now. Like this one here, you see when it's not crimp, it will be up. Now it's down. Right, I will do the other side. I'll let you know. Guys, I finished crimping both ends of the cable and it's time to test it, but my tester battery died, so I will have to use this laptop to show you that it's working. So let me plug into this port. Let me see. Here we go. And as long as indicate internet access identifying. And there we go. Connect to my wireless router. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe for more videos.